Welcome to St. Giles TV. On this episode we will be showing you the Cattery, and what a typical day looks like for the animal care assistants. Let's get into it. So, first up, we have our morning briefing, which includes any new intakes and anyone going to their forever homes. This also includes any on-site vet visits for the day. We then head up to the Cattery and say good morning to all our cats and make sure no one is left out. They are always so happy to see some friendly faces in the morning. First job today, cleaning. Each pen gets a brush through, litter change if needed, and we just can't resist a quick cuddle whilst we are here. We like to keep their scent in their pens as much as possible, so a deep clean is not done every day. The cat's scent keeps them calm, and is a familiar smell to them. We don't want them to feel nervous. A quick change of cat litter and the first pen is nearly complete. Fresh water is put down and monitored throughout the day. Also, new toys and enrichment is added so that the cats are engaged and mentally stimulated. Not all cats are willing to come and say hello, especially the new ones who are not used to this environment. We take it slow and make sure they have plenty of hiding and safe places to decompress, until such time they are ready to meet us. A gentle clean is needed with our kennel cleaning solution, which is animal safe so that the cats don't get worried and scared whilst we are cleaning. Let's grab some treats and do some socialization. Spending time with the cats is very important. It gives us vital insight into what the cat requires and helps us match them to their forever homes. It's important for the less confident cats that we take it slow and only fuss if they initiate it. A nice brush is always well received too. Now the cats have had some fuss, we have to prep the bowls for the next feed. Each cat has their own assessment sheet, which will tell us if they need specific food or they are on any medication. The food is then weighed out and measured specifically to each cat's needs. It's that time they have all been waiting for. Once all the pens, corridor and trolley have been cleaned, all equipment used gets sterilized in animal safe solution, ready to be used the following day. This then leaves enough time for more socialization before the end of the day. Which, let's face it, is the best part of the day.